Sometimes you might want to insert the current date and time into a document. Honestly, you might. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to do that in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Insert current date and time can be found under the Insert menu. When you select it, it inserts this as simple text in your document, so it's not going to update. That's why it's current date and time. This could be useful if you want to date stamp when you did something for your own reference, or for submissions that might require those details. If you don't like the format, you can either just edit it, which is no quicker than typing it in the first place, probably, or you could go into Format Options and Editing and create your own format that will be how you want it every time. There, you'll see a checkbox for Insert Date Time, using custom format. If you click on the question mark, you can see all the options available. Just enter what you want into the box with the correct spacing and punctuation, or edit what's already there if that's sufficient. Be careful with upper and lowercase. They do mean different things in this context. Click Apply and you're done. If you're interested in taking a dated snapshot instead, you should check out this video next.